Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Ar-Rahmanir-Rahim. Maliki Yawmiddin. Iyyaka na'budu wa iyyaka nasta'in. Ihdinas siratal mustaqim. Siratal ladzina an'amta 'alaihim ghairil maghdubi 'alaihim waladdallin.
Morning once again, girls.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good
Okay,
morning, sir.
yeah. So I hope you all are doing great and you all have even prepared for the next exam. I think now the last exam is remaining, right? Or am I wrong?
No,
Yes, sir.
Which
still
one?
there is one on Monday. Gujarati and
Last paper on
Sanskrit.
Monday.
Last paper is on Monday. Okay. So
Mm.
last two papers are there. One is today and the last one is on Monday. Fine. Anyways, I hope that you will get the great score in English subject because this time second standard students and the third standard students have scored really, really very good. I just checked their science paper and English paper, and they have really done the great job because I have given them a lot of revision work we have done, a lot of doubt solving sessions we have had there. So, yes, they have done a great job, and I'm waiting for fifth and sixth standard. This time, I thought that let's highlight the English subject. I should get best result for all the classes for the English subject so that I can say that see the best result is for the English. But that would only happen if you practically get into the studies, you divide your time. See, daily if you don't come to the lectures, now what will happen is at the end you have to work very hard together. But daily if you come to lecture, daily if you study, so your work will become lessened. That means it will decrease. At the end you don't have to work all together, you already have had learned all the things, so you just have to revise at the end. This is why I ask you always at least 1 or 2 hours daily you study other than these three online classes. Few people don't even come to online classes. I don't expect them to do anything. If they are watching the video session, that is different thing. Anyways, now today we will start with the new poem, The Joys of Childhood. Can you see the heading written behind me on the board?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Usually I teach poem or the lesson by displaying the poem or the lesson on the projector or by sharing the screen. But this poem, I don't think I have to display it. Just simply, I will send you the PDF file and simply we will discuss it here only. Okay, but not today. Today we will discuss a lot of different things about the same poem. Fine. First of all, the students who are mentally present in the class say yes, sir, and your name.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, Loli
Fazil Rabia
Aisha.
Bashir.
Yes, sir,
Yes, sir.
Sayyid
Lola.
Sama.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Ilma.
Only these many girls are there. Okay, Rabia kept everyone absent today. Not fair.
Yes, sir.
Anyways, the joys of childhood. Can anyone tell me what is the meaning of joy of childhood? Okay, hold on. Can anyone at least tell me what is the meaning of childhood? If you read this word, childhood, what is that? Not Rabia, any other girl. Come on, can you tell me what is the meaning of childhood? Whatever do you understand by this word? Come on. Otherwise, we will not start with the poem. Do the poem. Do it on your own. What is the meaning of childhood?
Sir, can I try?
Yes.
Uh, Childhood means when somebody is small and means sir, I know this word in Hindi.
No, you are doing good in English also.
Mm, when some boy when we are small, now that period.
Yeah, absolutely right. When we are small, that period is called childhood, right? So that means right from the nursery till we can say till fourth or fifth standard. Then we are no more small. Yeah, seventh, eighth standard, ninth standard, they are also child, but for me, not for you. So, anyways, childhood days, that means the days, the period when you were small. You are still small. This is your childhood only in sixth standard, right? Did you understand the meaning of childhood, girls?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Now, what is the meaning of the joys of childhood? Joys? What is the meaning of that? Is it a Gujarati word, joys?
No.
Then what is it? Ilma is there.
Yes, sir.
What is the meaning of joy of childhood? Have you
Joy
heard the
means
word? Yeah, joy means what do you understand by this word joy? Like, have you heard this word anywhere before? Joy,
No.
joyful. No, don't tell me no. You might have heard joy, joyful, enjoy. Did you not hear that word?
yes, sir. I
So what does it mean? Like whatever you remember, beta. It is not like you have to give right answer only. You can give wrong
joy
answer.
means happy.
Yes, you are right. Joy means happy. The or we can say the time when we were happy. Okay. So joys of childhood, the days of the childhood when we were living very happily. So what do you understand by this heading, the joys of childhood? The time, the period when we were very much happy in the childhood, right? And can you tell me why only we were happy in the childhood? Why not when we are becoming, when we are growing up? Why we are not happy? Can anyone tell me this?
So, can I, Rabia?
Yes.
In childhood, we are small, we don't have any responsibilities, and we are not too mature to understand anything. So, we are just happy with what we have. We do not jealous
Correct.
of anyone, and in childhood, we don't compare anything with anyone. And
Exactly.
as we start growing, we start comparing ourselves with others. That person has car, so I want to buy that. That person has,
Exactly.
when adult compares, he's like in that comparison. When a child compares, then in school that person has too nice pen or pencil, I also want that. So that
Yeah.
comparison makes us sad. Then we also jealous of people, and as we start growing, we have responsibilities. we
Correct.
we have to study, and all that responsibilities somehow make us sad or
Very
unhappy.
good. Okay. Can anyone else tell me that why we are only joyful in the child when we grow up? Why slowly our happiness goes away? Can anyone at least try? What happens when we grow up? Why slowly we become serious or sad when we grow up? Why not we remain as happy as we were as a child?
Sir, I can speak.
Yes, please. Anyone can speak.
Sir, जब हम छोट
But
सर
English, please English. I will help you.
ओके सर
Yes, yes.
when we are small, then
Hmm.
we can't walk, we can't sleep, we can't sit, and
Very good.
we grow.
Hmm.
Then we
Then what happens?
we we walk and we sit, and your your and
And
we homework do we.
hmm. Yes. So very good. Very good. Excellent. Okay, mute your mic, everyone. See, basically, this poem is about the numerous joys childhood memory brings to us. When we become elder, see, yesterday one incident happened with me. Can I share one incident, girls? If you want, I can.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Only if you want. Huh? I'm not forcing you. So can if you do you want to hear that what happened?
Yes, sir.
See, yesterday it happened that uh, one of our teachers, I even work for the afternoon shift, right? So one of our teachers, you might be knowing the name, Nilofer teacher. So she just brought a contact of one of my teachers when I was a child, when I was studying in the school back before, when in the sixth or seventh standard, right? So my favorite teacher was my English teacher, right? I will not mention the name here. So my favorite teacher was my English teacher. So I was trying to find the contact of that teacher since 1 or 2 years back. But I was not getting the contact, no, I was getting any address or anything. And suddenly yesterday when we were talking and discussing, man said, yes, I have the contact of the teacher. Now look at my face. How excited I was because the person of whom I'm trying to get the contact of. Now she, since 1 or 2 years, she's not in my touch. Now, since when I was in 12th standard, after that we were not in the contact. So since 1 or 2 years, I was trying to find the contact, but I was not getting it. Suddenly, I got the contact and I asked her to call because she's a lady, so I cannot get the number. I cannot take the number without the permission, right? So I asked that teacher to call her up. And suddenly I was like, hello, ma'am, good afternoon. I am Rohan. Do you remember? She said, yes, how can I forget that brown boy who was mischievous, a lot of mischievous, and to throw you out of the class. So that thing, we recall those things, right? When we were child, when we were in primary school, what we used to do. So we had a lot of discussions and we recalled a lot of moments we had. Don't tell anyone. I even burned the firecracker in the compound of the school, which is very bad, and I was suspended. So these all things we remember, right? I used to throw the pencil right from the first bench to the last bench and harass them. So these are harassments I used to create in the class. And once it happened like I threw the chewing gum on the board before the teacher. Teacher exchanges, students, teachers take the
Yes,
turn, right?
Yes.
So I was chewing a chewing gum, and I knew that when that English teacher used to come, she used to just look at me like this, and she came to know I had something in my mouth. So before she comes, I was like, and obviously now just imagine this is the what do I say? What is the word? Um, This is the present moment. I removed from my mouth and I stuck it on the board, right? Now it is wet. It is wet. So no one will touch it, right? It is full of my saliva. So it is very bad. I know. Again, I was suspended because few honest students in the class, they cannot keep anything in their stomach. And teacher came and directly she saw, what is this yak? For 15 to 20 minutes, she asked everyone to stand in the class. If you don't tell me the name, who did this, I will not allow anyone to go home and this and that. Principal came in the class. And I was full of, perspiration even in the winter season. My gestures spoke that I am the culprit, but I did not speak. And that rancor in the class, man, Rohan done this. Oh my God. And then sit-ups and after 10 sit-ups, I was no up. I was sit only. So much tired. And I was suspended. So these all memories we can recollect. Now, can anyone share any of your memories? If you have the memory from right from the first standard, now you are in the sixth standard, like I shared, can you share, please? Come on, anyone. See, it is not necessary that memory should be of school only. You can even share the memory at your home, mischief or happiness or good moment. You remember what happened in your family or in the school with your friends. Come on, I'm waiting for you. You know that unless you don't do not answer me, I will not work any further.
Sir, can I say more this?
Yes, Mohammed, you can.
Sir, one time you were explaining, then I and my friend was sitting at the bench, and my pen was broken. So uh, she was helping me, and I was listening you. She scolded me, but I don't hear. And she second time scolded me. Then I hear no. So you catch us, then I came to you and say that my pen was broken, but you can't hear anything. So Sophia came, and I was gone to my bench. So Sophia was crying, crying, crying. He was not speaking. She was not speaking
See.
anything.
Hmm. Hmm.
Then you set Sophia to the principal's bench. So
Okay. So I thought, no, I remember that I told you that you are coming here for repairing the pan, somewhat like that, right?
yes, sir.
Okay. So it happens in the class when I'm seriously teaching something and something else is going on, right? That is good. Anyone else? Very good. Anyone else wants to share? Come on. Okay, no one. Mahadesa, can you tell me what is exactly the time?
Yes, sir. 8:33.
Okay, we shall write the hard words. Quickly give the heading hard words. I will read also, don't worry. Now I'm going to read it once. It will become easier for you then to write it down. Number one, muddy. Muddy. Two, window shopping. Window. Window. Shopping. Shopping. Number three is castles. 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 Number four is skipping. Skipping. Number five is chuckle. Chuckle. Number six is cozily. Cosily. Number seven is joyous. Joyous. Number eight is terrace. Terrace. Number nine is innocent. Innocent. Number 10 is pace. Pace. Number 11 is aspiring. Aspiring. Number 12 is enclose. Enclose. Number 13 is while. Wile. Number 14 is trodden. Trodden. Number 15 is falter. Falter. So these are the 15 hard words for this poem. In the next lecture, perhaps we will do start discussion of the poem. I'll explain you. Once you finish it, say yes sir and your name. Only one
Yes,
time
sir,
you have to write
Karti
it down.
Radhivashri.
Yes, sir, Holy I.
Yes, sir,
Yes, sir.
Lavya Aisha.
Yes,
Don't just
sir.
take the screenshot.
Yes, sir. Go on, examine.
Raga, if you have written, please read it once with the spelling.
Yes, sir. Number one, Muddy, muddy. Number two,
What is number
double.
one? What's number one?
I didn't spoke like that.
Number one. Speak properly.
You are making
Old
up
man.
your own words and speaking.
Number one. Girls, she spoke like that, right?
Yes.
Yes.
See?
Yes,
No, I'm not telling Ravi, I'm not criticizing. It is good tone. But sometimes only, no. Every time, if you want to speak, every time you make your tone like English girl. Number one, it's right.
should I continue?
Yeah. Shall I continue? Yeah, you can.
Shall I continue?
Mm-hmm.
Window window shopping window shopping. 3. Castles. 4. Skipping. 5. Chuckle. 6. SILY, cozily. 7. JOYOUS, joyous. 8. TERRACE, terrace. 9. INNOCENT, innocent. 10. PACE, pace. 11. ASPIRING, aspiring. 12. ENCLOSE, enclose. 13. WILE, while. 14. TRODDEN, trodden. 15. FALTER, falter.
Great stuff. And Ravi, what is the time?
8:39.
Good. I think I should have the habit of wearing the watch now. I don't like watches because it when I wear it in my hand, it like after we remove it, what do I say? The scar remains that
Yes.
only that much portion becomes very white as if we are foreigner, and the remaining one is Indian. So that is what I do not like of watch. But now I should have the habit. I'll buy one. Many a times my parents, my brother, my students have also gifted me, but I do not wear. If I wear at all, it breaks down within 3 or 4 days. Just imagine how much rough my hand would be, even the branded watches. So I do not wear. One, I don't like. Secondly, one is I don't like. Secondly, it is like if I wear, I'll create a big loss. Rabia, when are we going to compose your new poem? Come on, keep it on YouTube and keep it updated.
I'm not uploading it on YouTube.
I know you're not uploading it on YouTube, but you have to stay in touch with all the social media in everywhere. Start keeping on YouTube, Instagram, everywhere. You never know from
I
where it's going to get the heat.
I used to upload in YouTube, but now I don't.
What I said is something different.
Yes, I know. I'm just saying.
Yeah, because the talent should never be drowned.
Yes.
Some got famous because of their Instagram, some got famous because of the written physical copies of the book. You never know from where will you get that jump of the.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Qureshi Sadia.
Very good, beta. See, Quresh Isaria waited for me to complete my line. Very good. Really appreciate. Saria, how was your paper, Quresh Isaria?
Very nice.
Okay, nice to hear that. So English is very easy, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What a timing. But keep it that now you are good in the studies, now you're getting the good scores. That doesn't mean you are good at English. English has the four skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Reading and writing is good. Now your speaking and listening should also be good. Okay, so I suppose you have done with this. Have a nice day. Goodbye, girls. Take care.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Have a nice day.
You nice.
Bye, sir. Have a nice